Rape, murder, arsoning, everything is going on. Hundreds and hundreds of people have given their lives. One simple question, $1 million question. The Prime Minister of India is the custodian of 140 crore people. What business he has got in other countries? Whenever we ask, he is in this country, that country. He is the Prime Minister for all countries. Why he did not go to Manipur? He failed in his duty as a Prime Minister. He is going every country after country, but not Manipur. Prime Minister means PM. Our Prime Minister means picnic minister. Touring all the country. I am a product of Anna movement. I am a product of Mangada Tamilandi, Sanjay Mulagi. எப்பக்க வந்து புகுந்து விடும் இந்தி எத்தனை பட்டாளம் கூட்டி வரும் கண்ணை கிளிபட நேரும் கட்டாய இந்தியை வெட்டி புதைப்போம். This is our